taking this little girl to the school for the first time. She is nervous.
स्कूल जा रहे हैं
School.
भाभी भाभी
क्या बारिश भी हो रही है.
बारिश हो रही है
करना
अभी
है.
हमको कोशिश करते रहना है
अभी मैं कोशिश करता रहूंगा अभी हमको बहुत ही कोशिश करना है
एनीवे पिलाटेस जाना है बस या कुछ भी करना है. I'm just gonna see if I even like it.
You will like it. I know.
I think so, yeah. Because I just want someone to tell me what to do, like कोई दिमाग नहीं यूज करना. We went to see Inside Out and तब से the way we've been talking about our emotions is just वो orange वाली निकल आई है. Orange वाली ने कंट्रोल ले लिया है दिमाग का.
हमारा हमेशा जॉय रहता है.
हम लोग यही कह रहे थे कि I'm the anxiety one and he's my joy.
तो पल्ली बहुत ज़्यादा डर रही है. Just because.
You're like telling on me.
हाँ.
You're like telling on me. कि फल्ली बोलूँ
हाँ मतलब लोगों को
नहीं
पता
हम नहीं
नहीं
डर रहे हैं. हम नहीं डर रहे हैं. I'm just like a little.
डर नहीं रही हो मतलब
Nervous.
खेलते हैं तो ग्राउंड खोदता है मतलब थोड़ा पैर के निशान पड़ते हैं ये सब चीज़ें. बारिश के मौसम
I need to take my picture somewhere जहाँ पे
palm trees हो.
नहीं हम opposite कह रहे थे greenery now.
Greenery now, but greenery is life.
No, it doesn't match my outfit. जी कितना गंदा हो. क्या चाहिए तुमको?
लो
दिखाओ. तुम क्या कह रहे थे?
सूखी
नहीं तुम कह रहे थे ये दिला दो.
दिला दो.
Most useless.
प्लीज दिला दो.
Got both of the things that I wanted. I couldn't find anything online, but we went to the mall and they had like this store called Elementary. They have an online store, but I never liked anything. Everything was like ridiculously expensive, but this lamp was actually worth the price because it's huge. But anyway, we can do like a little haul and show you today. You guys loved the stop so much and I was like, I need to get like pictures or something in it.
Also, I took a day off from work, but I'll not take a day off from the gym because it's very important for my knees. I need to get strong.
Strong so you can pick me up.
Right? No, because I want to play football again. Picking up to बाद में.
बाद में?
Because it's been like around 2.5 years I did not play football.
Okay, so I don't think you guys know this story, but like 3 days before our engagement in 2023, this man went to play football and like messed up his knee. मेरी आवाज को क्या हुआ?
कंपन आ गई.
Messed up his knee entirely. Like, what did you do to it? तुम ही बताओ.
I twisted my knee and it like I broke my ligament. But
3 days.
I was walking on the engagement and
Yeah.
no one could know.
But still, like 3 days before, and he texts me telling me this. So I thought, मतलब, I didn't think it would be that severe. Like I thought कि कोई चोट आएगी ठीक हो जाएगी ठीक है 2 दिन में. Turns out he can't even walk properly. And I'm just freaking out कि अब क्या होगा. And ये घर पे बहुत डांट खाया.
बहुत डांट खाया,
मार उधर पे.
but my father is very supportive because he's also a sports person. He's an Olympian, so he was like, it's okay, like जो हो गया वो हो गया. अब जो होने वाला है उसको कैसे करना है ये देखना है.
Also, 2 days before, I got the biggest sty of my life. Like मेरी आँख सूज गई थी बिल्कुल. I took all my engagement pictures from this side because this side was like fully swollen. So we were like कि क्या है दुल्हन अंधी है
और दूल्हा लंगड़ा है. अच्छी जोड़ी है. 1.5 years ago, I got my knee
तुम्हें दर्द हो रहा है.
operated and it's going on good now, but I just need to strengthen it up now.
Yeah, I think the main reason his knee got so much worse is because he delayed it so much. So this is your sign to not delay health stuff.
Yeah.
because it just gets worse and more expensive to fix. क्या स्टोरी खत्म नहीं हुई थी?
स्टोरी खत्म नहीं हुई है अभी.
स्टोरी ये थी कि then Salman took a bunch of pills and made it to the engagement and nobody could tell that there was anything wrong.
Because I am very strong.
Okay, ठीक
By
है.
will.
अच्छा हाँ भैया, ठीक है भैया.
भैया.
हाँ.
ये लखनऊ में आके यूपी वाली लैंग्वेज बोलने लग गई है. मैंने मुंबई में रह के ओनली इंग्लिश.
नहीं, मुंबई में हम कहते थे भाया भाया इधर.
लो अमरूद खाओ हमारे पेड़ के, नमक लगा के. तो नहीं कर पाएगा.
Thanks for picking me up.
मारने के लिए पैर पकड़ के काटे दे रहा है पैर.
बर्फी की शिकायत हो रही है.
बर्फी कितना दौड़ाते तुम हमें? हाँ क्या
21 दे दो. नहीं.
क्या?
Okay, these are the first pair. The wash, everything is so perfect. I love like a button fly. They also like fall right on my belly button, which I love. I don't like it being any higher than that. So yeah, these are a thumbs up. Okay, same jeans, but they fit slightly bigger. What is that about? This is why jeans give you so many body issues. So I'm not sure about these. So this is supposed to be for the bedroom, and this I'm not sure where this goes yet. ये इस पे भी अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है, कलर इसका बहुत प्यारा है. ये वहाँ पे अलग लग रहे थे, यहाँ ये.
हेलो बाबू, क्या हुआ? बर्फी सिक्योरिटी चेक पॉइंट पे आ गए हम लोग. बल्ब भी चेक करा लो उससे.
बर्फी सही है सब.
हाँ ठीक है.
हाँ,
ठीक है ठीक है. But I'm so scared that Burfi is gonna drop it. But the last lamp that I bought was dropped by me.
Oh my God. बहुत खतरनाक.
हमें अपने आप से डरना चाहिए.
बर्फी को बेचारे को ब्लेम कर रही है.
Guys, I've never mentioned Kalu's secret talent before, but Kalu can balance so many things on his head. Hi. Hi. Hi, cutie. Hi, cute. बहुत भीड़ हो रही है. एंड सुबह वैसे ही बात करने का दिल नहीं चल रहा.
सही में.
ये क्या है?
आएगा आएगा. We are making oats, eggs, and toast with peanut butter for breakfast, and then we are gonna have brown rice and dal in olive oil.
What's your plan for today?
आज अभी ऑफिस वाला काम करना है, उसके बाद फिर थोड़ा रेस्ट करके देन आई विल गो टू द अकेडमी. पेटिस नहीं बोल सकते.
हम डायरेक्टर की तरह
फलीन यहाँ पे अच्छी कर रही है. अच्छा, अगर हम फली को फरीन बोलते हैं तो उसको बहुत बुरा लगता है.
It sounds like it sounds
Something
like
very serious.
It sounds like a gali.
और हमें भी लगता है अजीब सा.
Also, somebody asked me, how do you keep your cats off the counter? You don't. This one's as fat as he is. This one is not interested in food at all, except his own food. उसको कोई खाने से मतलब नहीं है. I'm so glad. I don't have to like hide my snacks from him. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my skincare. And it's really basic at the moment. I'm not even using moisturizer because it's just so humid. I'm using the skin refiner. Using this eye cream. क्या हो गया baby? I think this eye cream's not really going well with my makeup. I feel like it's breaking apart a lot. So I'm just gonna use this now, and then when I have to do my makeup, I'm gonna take it off. And then I'm just gonna put on some sunscreen. It's so lightweight. Okay, final step is just to use my lip mask. I just feel like the berry flavor is the best. I don't know. I don't think it's just the flavor, but I also feel like it just moisturizes better. I don't know if it has something to do with it, but I just feel like it works better. Okay, agenda for the rest of the day is firstly not to fall asleep, because whenever I do Pilates, I just end up falling asleep when I come back home. Like that's been happening for the first 2 sessions, and I do have a lot of stuff to do today. I have to shoot like 2, maybe 3 reels if we're ambitious. It's just content I want to make for myself. And at night I have to shoot like my nighttime routine for Tira, and that's it. Let's just hope I don't fall asleep. Also going to be packing the giveaway winners makeup products today. I'm so excited to pack everything and like ship it off to her. And the next giveaway I've decided is going to be on my YouTube itself. So yeah. Hello. Okay, so I shot 2 reels. I was aiming for 3, but the light is just gone now, and it's okay. I have very low standards for myself, so it's fine. I'm happy with it. Okay, so in a bit I'm just gonna show you like my setup. I know that a lot of you want to be creators or are creators already, and you want to like improve your content, and my setup is very basic. So I'll just show you that. Okay, this is what my setup looks like. So I have a high chair, I have a tripod, and then I just put 2 boxes, and then I put this mirror, which is so useful because you can turn it like up and down. So I just like place my tripod in front of a window, and then I have this behind me so I can see exactly what I'm shooting, because I use the back camera, and that is the key. Using back camera is the key. I am so surprised this is all the mess I made. Okay, what are we making?
We are making chicken wrap हेल्दी चिकन रैप। ए कालू सब कुछ अभी होना था। आई एम मेकिंग।
कहने वाले थे कि हमें हिट हो रहा है हमारा वर्कआउट एंड देन द शूट रिलेटेड।
तुम्हें क्या चाहिए इसमें? सॉस चाहिए?
नींद आ रही है बहुत तेज।
सॉस डालने में? चिप्स मांग रही, चिप्स मांग रही है ये सुबह से। उसको देखो चिप्स मांगने आ रहा है। पल्ली, do you want sauce on it? तुम्हें सॉस चाहिए कि नहीं? क्योंकि ये खराब हो जाएगा। तो हम रैप कर रहे हैं इसको। जल्दी जाओ, सब सूख रहा है, सब सूख रहा है। रुको ऊपर से खोलते हैं।
स्वीट अनियन सॉस है बाय द वे।
पता नहीं हमें कैसा लगेगा।
अच्छा लगेगा। स्वीट। बस इतना सा सॉस।
यार हम इससे शादी कहाँ से कर ली हमने?
Father is always on the table with us.
सुनो एक प्लेट ले आओ।
हम लोग के साथ हम लोग के पेट में बाल जाते हैं इसके।
इसको ऐसे कर दें?
We just accept
ऐसे कर
it.
दें?
हाँ। खा लें। क्या? क्या?
खा के बताओ। अच्छा है?
हम्म।
फॉइल फॉइल फॉइल
चख के देखो।
चख रहे हैं। फॉइल दे दो। हम नहीं खाएंगे ये वाला क्योंकि इसमें सॉस पड़ा हुआ है। फॉइल किधर गया? अरे ये रखा है। एकदम गधे हैं लोग। हाँ, ओके। इसमें द डिप आई मेड ऑफ कर्ड, रोस्टेड चिकन है और अनियन है। सेम है।
Also sweet onion sauce.
स्वीट अनियन सॉस है
मेरे वाले में।
and that is खीरा रायता।
And we're watching Shrikant and it's very wholesome and cute.
He's been crying.
And हाँ
Only.
हर मिनट पर रोना आ रहा है.
Okay, bye.
So I'm shooting my nighttime routine for Tira, and although my nighttime is pretty similar, because it's for a brand, everything has to look a lot prettier than it is. Anyway, this is my outfit, and that is Salman doing his nighttime routine. Okay, we set up the projector just for the vibes in the video, and oh, it looks so cozy. We don't have a TV in this room, and everyone is just so cozy right now. Both my cats are on the bed, and I'm done with the video, so I'm just gonna go off to bed now. Salman's watching football, so he's gonna sleep later. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Good night.
Yes.